Hey everybody, Scott here. Wanted to show you this misting system that I got to be able to attach to our outdoor umbrella and tents for when we have people over when it's hot in the summer like it is now as we're coming upon 4th of July holiday. But wanted to show you what's in this box real quick. So this is the 75-foot long one. So here's your instructions. Here's some zip ties you got, and looks like some tape to, I guess that's the Teflon tape to put on the faucet to help seal it. And then here's a little instruction booklet and diagram. Shows you how to set it up. And then you've got these look like these are little fasteners if you want to nail these into wood and then put your tubing in between these clamps here. And then looks like here's your extra misters and little brass couplings that the mist comes out of, a seal. And then here's your 75-foot tubing with the misters already installed on them. And then here's your end that goes into your faucet. So just wanted to basically show you this real quick. I'll eventually at some point follow up with a video when it's actually all installed, but I wanted to just show you a quick unboxing of this. Look forward to putting it together.